Decked Out for Christmas by Ethan Long. It's time to decorate. First, the lights. Then, the garland. Hang the ornaments. Candy canes, yum! And the star. Don't forget the snacks and the sunglasses and the hot chocolate and the map and the air freshener and the fuzzy dice. It's ready, Santa! Merry Christmas!